Let's continue on with our beginners who requested, please show us how to make some simple flowers so that we can make some gorgeous things. So you've got onto the shop and you've bought all sorts of things. So what on earth do we do next? So I've got some ceramic petals. I've lashed out and bought some penny rounds of pretty colours. I've got some other dots of pretty colours, darling dots, petal shapes, and I've spread them all out, and now I am completely confused. Where do I start? So let's just say, for example, we want blue daisies, big ones, ushy for the side of a large pot. These are ceramic glass with a nice shiny glaze on the top, and they're great to cut. But if we have a look at two of these flowers, so I can just talk a little bit techo with you, and it comes to, when you're putting them together, make sure you've got enough space for grout. So here I would want to have enough space to put my cleaning tool down there to clean out any gunge should I need to before I grout. I also want a grout line so these don't butt up right next to each other. They don't touch. Avoid touching, because what will happen if they are touching and you're using, let's say, black grout, the black grout won't go all the way and it'll finish here, and that's the thing you see. And once you see it, you can't unsee it. The other thing here, you can see the centre of this flower looks quite different to the centre of this flower. So you can get a different look and feel. This one is going to be quite close and you're only going to see the grout lines around here. So it'll be a circle, grout lines, because if you look really closely, you can see I've just cut the tips off to get a closer fit to this circle. Over here, it doesn't have the tips cut off. So what we'll end up with is our black circle of grout with little tiny star bits coming out from here, which some flowers do have, and they look quite cute. So you immediately can get a different look and feel with just some very basic cutting here. Or not, just place them. But it's really important as a beginner to learn some cutting. So then how do we make this little one over here? Let's try it with small tiles, because these ones come in large petals, medium-sized petals, and these gorgeous little small ones. Oops. And I've got some whole bunch of silver ones, because I do love silver with mirror, using mirrors as well. And silver looks lovely with any colour, as does gold. I have a packet of gold as well. So you can, when you go shopping now, you can shop with purpose. Oh yes, I want some big ones, and I want some little ones as well.